Sabi mo kuya.
Yan na naman.
It was the little 12-inch wheels, the little fat ones. It had the low handlebars. So I put the 17-inch snipers on it.
This one.
No,
you modified this one.
Put 17-inch snipers on it. New fender.
Sniper?
Yeah, sniper 17-inch.
How about the fork? Did you change it?
Fork's the same. Fork's original.
This one.
Then we built this rack
from
so
here.
That we could move. Yeah, and we
From
moved
here.
all the shifters up and forward, so you can shift everything. And you sit it.
So it looks like an easy rider now.
Drop the shocks from 310 down to 280, so it would lower the tail end.
Yes.
Put a 4-inch wide sniper on the back.
At the rear?
It's wide, the 4-inch wide, but it's still 17-inch. So the bike sets up, and then raise the handlebars, got the mirrors, built the saddlebags, built the sissy bar. Saddles.
What modification did you make already?
Really, everything's legally the same. All I did was change the wheels and raise the handlebars and
put the handlebar riser.
Yeah. That's it.
The
Headlights original, yeah. So I don't get in any trouble with,
Then you put the saddlebag.
We put the saddlebag, built the mounts for the saddlebag.
That's a frame?
Yeah, this frame here.
This one?
Yeah.
It's modified also?
Yeah. Originally these were up here.
Yes.
We cut those off and built them down here so the rider can put their feet down there. Yeah. Put the trumpets on it.
So 125.
No,
Rango.
It's just a Rango, yeah.
How about the color? Did you change the color?
Yeah, I had to submit a color change. No, it was gray and black. It was gray and black. Yeah, I had to
sometimes it's gray yellow.
I had to submit the color change sheet.
As a HPG, change the color.
Yeah, change the color.
Matte black.
Yeah.
This one.
And then we put the leather, just put the leather wraps on it.
Motor Rango, 125cc.
So I got a friend up in Paite, the guy who did these right here.
Ducati.
No, he's got a shoe store, a leather shoe store.
Bogs, nakakuha ka lang ng design dyan, Bogs. Alam ko eh. Bukas, gastos na yun, Bogs. Oo. Sa setup mo na din yan eh. Nakita yung mga NMAX doon.
Pinapisa namin doon eh.
Malapit yung mga NMAX doon eh. Ilot yung mga ito eh. Kaya baka may shoutout kayo. Oh.
Shoutout si Ate Jane. Ma-shoutout Ate Jane.
Kalawang
Ang tawag dyan ay raspinis. Diba? Saan yun ito, boss? Ano mo?
RS yan.
RS.
Ito,
Kaya
X3.
shoutout! Manood siya ang vlog ko. Master T Motovlog. Manood siya.
Ano sir?
Master T Motovlog. Manood siya.
Positive.
Positive. For Tokhang. Ito, Yama. Suzuki. Ito. Napakaganda na. Ano yun? Ano yun?
Ano? Aabot kayo sa iyan?
Hindi ako aabot dyan. Mahal yan eh.
Sir.
Ano, panay chrome eh. Asan sa'yo?
Sir, wala na eh.
Tagis ka. Wala. Doon kasi station kayo mag-motor show.
Kabila ng daan, balik ko sa mo.
Yung ganito mo yung bike mo, yung... Ano nangyari na? Ano, hinakot na nito trophy, ang dami ah. Ito ka! Dali, shot mo e-works oh! Dali! 1 year kang walang huli, ayaw mo. E-works! 1 year walang huli yan. Ayaw mag-shoutout eh. Ito, lisensya ito, talahib eh. Ah, si Miyong, ito pala entry mo. Diba? Alin ba entry mo, Miyong? Ah, Miyong. Boss, shoutout tayo yung shop ha, Motorrain. Video ka. Ito si Boss Wayne, pinakamalaking motor, parts and accessories sa PILA. Motorrain, video ka. Ano mga model mo? Shoutout kayo ha. Oh ba? Yung shoutout ka. Alam mo ba yung ano, yung sponsor mo? Shoutout mo yung sponsor mo. Oy, Kanji!
Ano ba, entry mo ba to?
Hindi. Ano lang, na bibidyo lang. Ay, mag-shoutout ni Mami. Nasaan na yung ano, hindi ako alam, papasok mo dito. Ano to? JD ano? JD Carpenter.
Okay, inanayahan na po namin lahat ang aming po mga panauhin, ang mga entry po sa aming po kauna-unahang car show sa Bayang Pinagpala.
Motor show.
Lumapit na po tayo dito. Dahil pansamantala po natin sisimulan ang ating formal na pagbubukas ng ating programa at ito po ay susundan ng ating pong mga paligsahan mamaya pagkatapos po ng ating banal na misa. So muli po, tinatawagan po namin lahat ng mga panauhin, mga manonood, mga entry po ng car show na magpupunta po din sa mas malapit dahil ilang sandali po mula ngayon ay makakapili po natin ang ating birthday boy, ang aming minamahal na po ng bayan, kagalang-galang, Edgardo Egay Ramos.